Sit down, stand up.
So it kind of tell you exactly what we're getting.
So these the two that we just got through looking at right here. Okay. Yep. Yep. But yeah, that's it. That was the first. That was the front one we did, and then that was the second one we did right there. So okay, we Gucci. Now see these right here? That's curb exhaust. So anytime you got something that kind of look like this, and it's got these belts on there, that's a curb exhaust. So what they usually do is pull. They pull air. So just like you got the fumes in the paint shop, all it's doing is just pulling the fumes out. But shit, if that's on there, I know it ain't up there. So that junk going right now, but I don't think that's it. That might be it though. But I ain't got one over here, so that's gotta be it right here. Yeah, it's gotta be it right here. But if the paint booth is right up in this area right here, the only other thing I can see is this one. Yeah, he said get the numbers off the belt. See, it's running right now, so yeah, let me see the car. Yeah, we'll get it from the other side. That way we ain't gotta fool with that other stuff. Let me see. Oh shoot. Turn this around. Okay, this one gonna be an AX69.
That's the one to the other belt.
So let me snap him up one on that one. Get him old snapper of this one. Old snapperoo. So this one is for the front one. The first one is for that one. Okay. Cool. You wanna throw that dough back on there and we gonna get the heck from up here. We're gonna get the heck from up here before we get cooked. Gonna be up here cooking, boy. That darn sun is up there, boy. Oh my goodness. Man, look. See, messages, save.
It might not have this. No matter what, go to your Bluetooth.
Okay, Bluetooth.
Yeah. When I got fired from here,
Mm-hmm.
I'm telling him about it. He telling my cousin, damn, I was just shipping up.
Yep. One of the belts seem like it's a little, it ain't tight as this other belt. This other belt kind of real tight. Yeah, they gonna be the same. They gonna be the same length. Yep, they gonna be the same length. Yeah. Alrighty. I think that might be it. Okay. Yeah, man, some niggas, man, just ain't straight, bro. Like,
It was so crazy.
some of them just ain't straight, bro.
It's
Just
so
gonna
crazy.
be honest.
Man, this shit so crazy. I tell you how this shit started. It's a female that he was charged. And then the female got into it at work. They called him in the office. He tell my folks, yeah, cousin, I ain't keep coming up. I ain't keep cousin tell me that. I'm like, my nine, I don't know nothing about this bitch. And if I did, I ain't finna, you know what I'm saying? Nigga. This shit is crazy. I ain't even asking the bitch. I'm like, well, she's like, your name didn't come up. So now I'm looking at him like, he was like, he go, I'm like, what's going on? You all right? He tell you. But he acting a whole
Different way and all that good shit.
Never told me. You know, some niggas build stories.
Okay, so I know. Boom. Right there. Cool. It's called a curb. It's like a curb exhaust. So all they do is it's just drawing air up out of whatever is right down there. It's drawing the air up out of there. That bad air so it can put the fresh air in there. So that's all that's doing. And that's what I thought he was talking about at first until we saw that over there. So, yeah. Huh?
Bad ass right there.
Oh yeah, they doing their thing. We ain't mad it's gone. Continue. Continue on your journey to. Okay. And then it's a good workout too, bro. Yep, all you gotta do is just be careful. You good. There you go. Hard part out the way, doctor. You good now. Good deal, good deal. Proud of you, brother. It wasn't so bad, was it?
No.